Yo, make a whole of reasons, eh? Yo, how you expect the police them to act when they are getting the backing of the government? Obviously, them a get some serious backing from the government because, in my opinion, Dr. Kevin Blake is like a puppet of the Prime Minister. See, while law-abiding citizens of Jamaica, we really do love and appreciate the fact that there's a decline in crime and violence. But we now come here so I make it look like say yo, we alright with the facts. Police just a murder civilians left, right and center. For the last year or two, or most of this year, majority of the killings them is at the hands of the JDF, right? And we've been appealing for a body worn camera for so long, yet still the Minister of Security, grandfather Harris Chang, we need to go and go sleep, you know. Come out, come tell we brawling, say yo, no police now go wear no body cam in no major operation because it give up the police location. Right. And the funny thing is about body camera, you know. The body camera help the police as much as how it help the citizens, you know, because it can show say yo other person you do this and do that why the police have to take certain actions. However, one reason you cannot want use something because you know say yo the killing them we're not going with inner right. Because the woman wanna kill a mobile over there, you know, that not right, you know. I'm gonna tell you something about the type of leader what we have. Because I don't know if I may alone see it. It's the type of prime minister Jamaica have. The only time him come out can speak out against certain things and when him a get political points from it. Alright, now go on a couple examples. When I remember the killing where they go on a Clarendon where the little boy kill off the mother and her two picking in them and so them type of killing there. Whenever we have them type of killing there in a Jamaica, Andrew Holness and his PR team always show up on location. But whenever the police them kill off the innocent people them, you know see or you know hear from them. Have you ever heard the Prime Minister condemn the actions of the police? May I wait? What the answer? Yeah man, me know say the answer no. We've never seen that man condemn the actions of the police. And for the thing going in a cherry tree lane where the police kill off the local youth, now we're back to not hearing anything about it as usual. So whenever them thing are going, it gets swept under the rug. Even right now, Jamaicans, you have Jamaicans I wonder if Indicom I do nothing. But me personally tell them say yo, Indicom actually get limited by the government. They can only do so much. You understand? Maybe if Indicom had the power to arrest, maybe we would have seen more justice come out there. Call a spade, right or right, wrong or wrong. You understand? So you can't condemn gunman for kill off the innocent people, yet still you have police a kill people innocently. And the reason why I say innocently, you know, are because we don't know if some of them people are saint, you know. And we not gonna come here to come go on like say everybody are saint. But innocently meaning the way how them kill them, they died innocently. We never see no reason for the police to do what them do or anything like that. So that's why we use the term innocently. You understand? Because if you are gonna kill people, you have to can justify that. And so far, majority of police killing is not justified. Even the shooting was going in a Mandeville town the other day. Like, what if a question still did us have to ask? Because we don't know if them youth they a real criminal or if them find the gun where them say them find. Because you don't need to come on, come show with them thing there, you know. And make we can see and say, yo, you know, say police them a do their work though. You see me? Yeah man, and when we talk about them things, you know, it make it look like so we're anti-police. No, we're not anti-police. We're anti-fucker. You see me? And the only set of people let me see now have no problem with what go on in Jamaica. Whether it is the hardship, whether it is the bad road, whether it is the police killing. The only set of people that when I have no problem with this are the people who support the Jamaica Labour Party. They see nothing wrong as long as their favorites is in charge. Because the level of hardship where I reached Jamaica over the years, you know, it reached to a point where women smart up and not even breed up like one time. At one time you find one woman have 3-4 picking. Right now the young girl them don't want no picking. And every day when they get up and talk about low birth rate, low birth rate. We only ever come with to convince people to give birth. You think people want to have picking and suffer? Phone picking and suffer. So I don't feel like people have to breed up to make for them picking and suffer. Yo, Jamaica, you know, so we're not ready yet. We don't ready yet as a nation because guess what? We lack accountability, especially from our leaders. I really there's something I don't vote for. Look how long now, November. November was the most devastating hurricane. And the government get $1.8 billion money where I don't feed them money, you know, and I feed them pocket to come out there, you know, and until today they only spent 1.8%. We want to sit down for the people their money for. You come like say me need to go down to Westmoreland, go do a follow-up video to show us say yo the people them still as a matter of fact that me I go do. We need to go out west go do a video with the people them to show the type of leaders what we have in Jamaica because they do not care. Right now the hurricane season about to start back again. And I know we don't see them make no move or make no arrangement like say yo, alright, make we work on some proper shelters just in case the next hurricane come. Because not because we get one last year means that we're immune to it this year. No. Anything or anything. Yo, they need to do better man and they need to ask and demand better from the people they want to vote for and call leaders. You see me? That me have to say.